everyone, today I'm going to remove a beehive with a little friend of mine, Tiana.
Hello.
Okay, so we're going to look at the bee later and I'm going to teach her how to remove a bee. She's very interested. What do you feel? How do you feel now?
A little nervous.
Nervous, okay. Why you want to come with me?
Because I want to get to know a bit.
Okay.
How to remove a beehive.
Okay. You're going to wear the bee suit, okay?
Okay.
Dis quelque chose, hein, je te filme.
Ah d'accord. Je vais enlever une... j'ai oublié comment dire.
Une ruche.
Une ruche
D'accord.
d'un barbecue. Au revoir.
Hello. Hi. So my helper. Yeah, she's ready. She's a beekeeper now.
Wow.
Hi. Okay. You ready? Okay. So Christopher, are you worried?
I'm not worried.
You're not worried, right?
No, I'm not.
Okay. So we're gonna start now, and you probably have to go away. Maybe y'all can watch from inside the glass door. Right, so Tiana, we're gonna start now. Okay? Yeah, okay, ready?
Yes.
Now we're coming over here. We're gonna start with this one.
From the beehive, which is right here, around here in the corner.
Okay,
This is actually Serena.
okay.
I'm trying to stand still.
Yeah, try to Yeah, it's okay. You can come here. Look at this one. This is the comb, right? And let's check. There's some honey over here already. Can you see? Right, there's honey. And what's the shape of the comb? Each chamber is hexagonal, right? Yeah. And can you see any? Let me check.
There's a little bit of lava.
You think so? Yeah. Are you? So now we're gonna look for the queen. We're gonna look for the queen.
Uh-oh.
Let me see.
There's so many. How are you not scared of bees?
Okay. So
Oh my god, there's so many on the floor. Oh, they're all over there. Look, look. Oh, you found her?
I think so.
Did they sting
Let's get
you?
inside. No. They're not stinging me. I'm helping the bees to get in with the queen. You can see that the queen is inside. No, so when the queen is inside, the rest of the bee will just go in on their own. See that? So you can see the bees going in. Right? Is it still rolling?
Yep, it's still rolling.
Okay, can you focus on my hand later? Okay, just put on the ground and then focus on where my hand is. So the bee, see, just going quickly. Yeah. So when the queen is inside, all follow. It just go in. So you just want to make sure that all of them know where. So we have to do it quickly. So,
Whoa, that's a lot. Why are you never scared of bees? Even when you were smaller, you were not scared of bees.
yeah. They're very adorable. They're very funny.
They are cute, but
They're cute.
they're a bit scary.
Yeah, if you know how they behave.
Oh, I can see them over there. I see them like they're kind of like a honeycomb of the
Where?
there.
Oh, there. Over at the corner there.
Yeah,
This
there.
is the place.
Yeah. No, like it's white over
Okay, we're gonna let the rats to go in themselves.
Okay.
I need you to scrape off the wax. Can you do that?
Yeah, sure.
Scrape it off. If you think it's too dangerous, just don't do it. Okay. Yeah. Oh wait, hold on. Let me just put the camera here.
Oh, got some.
Hold on.
Got it.
Okay. Still recording, right?
There's still a lot of bees.
Yes. Okay. So Tina is trying to remove that. Yes.
Where'd it go?
Okay, it's just dropped down. Okay, great. Let's show the beeswax. Cannot see. this is like zoom. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Where is the wax? Okay. Let's see. Very good. Right. So you have scraped a piece of wax out from the.
There's like the lines.
Just now.
I swept the brush, the bees with the brush,
Uh-huh.
and they went up there with the queen.
Yeah.
Since we put the queen there,
So the bee, you look at when the queen is up there,
all the
and when
bees
it's
come
yeah.
from.
Okay, but I'm okay already. So I'm going to take this thing off, so I can see the bee a little bit clearer.
You can see it quite clear.
Yeah. So
You can hear them over there.
yeah. Okay, it's almost there. They are all going in. There's nothing inside already. Right? Just one or two. Okay, great. Good job. High five. Yeah. The smell, the pheromones, yeah, the pheromones, the smell. She will release pheromone. Okay, Tiana, how you find the? Okay, take this a little bit so you can see your face. Okay, so how you find the bee remover?
It was fun.
Fun, okay, and
I was a bit nervous, but now I'm less scared.
less scared.
And also, I was scared of bees at first. Now I'm a bit less. I'm not. I mean, I'm just a little bit scared.
Still a little bit.
Just
Okay.
We're probably not gonna get stung if you're gentle.
Yeah, if you are gentle, the key word is that if you are gentle with the bee don't sting you, right? Thank you very much for your help.
Thank you for letting me help you.
And now we're just waiting for the bee to go in, okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
You can Google it.
Okay.
Saving or removing beehive.
Okay.
Yes. But in a comparison, I was in contact with we have a pest control here,
Okay.
so they would have come, and then I thought I'd try something that is more gentle. But totally different. This is a good one. No need to use any pesticide or save the leaf. I mean, you're very fast.
Okay.
Very, very quick. So
Oh, thank you. And especially with the help from Tiana.
Yeah, you had a good help.
Very good help.